What's going on, folks? Today's Saturday, January 20th, and I'm just sitting around here looking at some footage over here and figuring, I'm like, let me cut something together real quick for y'all. So, what I got in store for you. So, I had a thing going where I wanted to do a carp chronicles. DJ Pond had a lot of big carp in, and I was going out there with some corn and try to catch some carp. Well, I never made it out there with the corn, but let's just say this was day 2 of a quote-unquote impromptu carp chronicles, but check it out. I hope you like it.
Whatever it is, it's snagged, it's not hooked. So whatever it is, it's snagged, not hooked. I can feel it. The carp. It's got to be. What? The Carp Chronicles on a different day, on a different date. We continue the Carp Chronicle. Let's see if we can land him now. That's the main thing. Like if you snag a carp, it's hard to land him. Drag. Little carp. I know a part of my body snagged them down. Be easy. Whoa! It might be in his mouth! It might be in his mouth! I'm dead ass serious right now. He just came up here and I don't know if he thought it was another little carp trying to scare it off. Yeah, that carp color crankbait. Like wherever he snagged his by the mouth at least, because you know me, I'm trying to get it on camera good. Come on, homie. Jesus Christ. Yes! Victory is mine, set the limits! So, this is what happens when unexpected stuff happens out here on Lunchtime Limits. Yeah, completely snagged. Right under the neck. Where they at? Where they at? But you see how I thought he was in his mouth though? Yeah. Like when he rolled underneath him. Yeah, when he came up and rolled over, I'm like, no way. Bro, easy Tonto. Like I can't do nothing with you. Like you're freaking 20 pounds of muscle. Like when you kick, you kick. There we go. Alright. So he's free. Yo, bro, come here real quick. Do me a favor, take a picture on your phone for me. Ready? Massive. Holy crap. Massive carp. Let's get the release. Total unexpected catch out here on Lunchtime Limits. This don't happen often, but when it does, it's fun. Go ahead, Bertha. And the whale is gone. Now do y'all understand why I want to come out here and start fishing for carp? Whew.